Renée Morris, and I'm a certified quantum touch practitioner and ambassador, and I'm also the owner and founder of Oceanica, energy healing that makes waves. I first came to quantum touch quite by accident when I stumbled upon some YouTube videos of quantum touch founder Richard Gordon talking about his work online. I was immediately drawn in. What is this quantum touch? What can it do and how does it work? And if you have never listened to Richard speak, he's a very dynamic speaker with a great sense of humor, and he also has this remarkable storytelling ability that allows him to take the somewhat complex concepts of energy healing and communicate them in ways that are easy to understand, fun, and applicable to everyday life. So I was drawn in right away. And at that time, I watched more videos, I read some articles online about quantum touch and about Richard's work. And it wasn't until a little while later, when I was undergoing a major life transformation, that I was drawn back to this work, I think kind of intuitively. And I ordered one of Richard's books, which is called Quantum Touch, The Power to Heal. It is an amazing book that teaches also the foundational practices of energy healing and explains what it is and how it works. It's an amazing book. And within a month or so of receiving the book, I had registered for the Level 1 workshop. Now, since that time, quantum touch has truly transformed my life because I went on to become a certified practitioner and to open my own practice. And now it has been over a year that I've had an energy healing practice using quantum touch and other energy healing techniques to help clients all over the world in their lives. And I've witnessed the most amazing and powerful transformations on all levels. And that really is the beauty of energy healing, is that it's not restricted to one aspect of your life. Because we're working with energy, which is essentially the fabric of reality, we can use energy healing on any aspect of our lives, be it our personal lives or some aspect in our life, our job, our relationships. I even use energy healing on my bank account, and it can be truly transformational. We can use it to attract a more desirable future, and we can use it to heal things in our past as well. So I'm extremely grateful to Richard for founding this incredible modality and for sharing it with the world. It is not only powerful, but it is truly empowering. And so if you are interested in quantum touch, or if you're feeling intuitively called to this work, then I encourage you to listen to Richard speak, and I know that you will absolutely love the work. Quantum touch is a very unique modality, and it is life-changing, and I wish you the best.